Welcome to my smart home. On our Smart Home YouTube channel, you will discover the most practical ways to bring technology to your home and master all the intricacies of home automation systems. Get ready to build a smarter home every day with tips, detailed reviews, and brand new technologies that will make your life easier. Integrating your Carrier boiler with Apple HomeKit can make managing your home's heating more intelligent and convenient. While Carrier boilers don't offer direct HomeKit compatibility, you can control them through HomeKit-enabled smart thermostats or third-party integration devices. To set this up, start by acquiring a HomeKit-compatible smart thermostat, such as Ecobee or Honeywell. Connect the thermostat to your Carrier boiler and then download the thermostat's mobile app to link it to your Wi-Fi network. Next, open the Apple Home app and select Add Accessory to include the thermostat in your HomeKit system. Scan the HomeKit QR code on the thermostat to finalize the setup process. Once integrated, you can adjust your boiler's temperature, change operating modes, or even turn it off completely using Siri commands or the Apple Home app. For instance, you might say, "Hey Siri, set the temperature to 72 degrees," or "Hey Siri, turn off the boiler." Additionally, you can create schedules or sync the boiler with other smart devices in your home through the Home app. This integration enhances energy efficiency and simplifies temperature control in your home. It's a modern solution for convenience and comfort, making it an essential part of a smart home ecosystem. If you liked our video, leave a comment below about which device you would like to see controlled. We will quickly shoot and share a new video specific to that device. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for similar content. You will both support us and be instantly informed about our new videos. We look forward to your comments and subscriptions.